Now look at this. We're in BGC, and the thing to do here apparently is to ride electric scooters in a circle on the weekends. I mean, look at this place. This is Fort Bonifacio back in the day. Look at that. Fort Bonifacio is now this. Look at this, how cool this thing is. Look how cool this place is. Let's get out the lights for a second. It's like New York City over here. So guys, BGC is officially freaking fancier than any freaking city in California that I've ever seen. It is. Hello, smile. Tignan mo, tignan mo. I mean, look at that. I live in one of the most expensive cities in the world, and it does not hold a candle to this city. Wow. It's a Saturday night in BGC. Look how awesome this is. kitty cat sign. Well, when they say it's more fun in the Philippines, they absolutely mean it. Look, Sandy, these purses are badass. Made from recycled material, I'm sure.
Yes.
Right? Ganda.
These are original. They're not.
They're very original. Oh, they're nice. Ganda.
I like this weave.
Yeah.
This weave.
I call it the set of furniture weave.
Oh, okay.
Taho! Wait, I want some taho.
You want?
Yeah. Oh, do I have any money? All right. I'm enjoying the taho here in the BGC area. Taho. This is my ta, and that's the ho. The ho. Taho. And there's Mike. Mike's still back there. Fried ice cream. Fried ice cream.
Sana binidyo mo if you was making the taho.
Oh, I know, Saya. Yeah. That's one thing I like about the Philippines, having balls in my mouth. Nothing like having balls in my mouth.
He has beer.
I have to drink that taho first.
Okay.
Nice little beer stand over there. Oh my gosh. I thought that said Bulbul Brewery.
Yeah.
Bulbul Brewery. You better check your drink before you drink it kasi baka may
Bastos.
Ikamote, the musical fruit. Sarap yung fruit na yan. Let's watch it. I want to watch him do the whole.
Okay lang mag-beer.
giant dude just sitting inside,
Chilling.
chilling, who's airing out his bayag in the AC. My gosh. That is so original. So original.
Other side.
Look how original that is. That guy looks like a real person. Again, this is BGC the Philippines, and I am blown away by their freaking stuff. Sorry, San Francisco, you kind of suck compared to this. I mean, really, you suck donkey dicks compared to this San Francisco. We got kitty cat in the background. I mean, come on. Anyway, let's move on and see other things here in BGC. Huh?
I guess you'd only stay here if you really had business in BGC.
Yeah.
Samba BGC actually.
Vloggers, they have this microphone from this brand.
As a matter of fact, welcome to the Russian Syndicate. This is the Russian vlog, Russian Pinos. Say hello, everybody.
Hello.
We are at the Shang, where?
The fort.
The Fort BGC, and there is Julia, the real estate vlogger extraordinaire. You'll see her in some offerings pretty soon.
I hope so too. I hope so too.
the Shang Makati.
Okay.
This is Manila, people. This does not look like Manila in 1981.
So high tech. So futuristic.
San Francisco is an absolute compared to this. Look at this.